Benefits of drinking red. Supports skin, memory, prostate, urinary tract and DNA health. Protects against cancer and heart disease. Apples. Grapefruit. Raspberries. Watermelon. Beetroot. Cherries. Pomegranate. Strawberries. Tomatoes. Where we store our stress. Heart and chest, hurt. Breathing difficulties, anxiety. Stomach and intestines, fear. Headache, loss of control. Neck and shoulder tension, burdens and responsibilities. Lower back, anger. Numbness, trauma. How to clean your lymphatic system. Concord grapes and key limes are extremely alkalizing for the body and full or antioxidants. They're recognized as nature's greatest lymphatic cleansers and have been found to eliminate cancer. Fasting for 72 hours. Completely regenerates the immune system. A recent study from the University of California showed the act of fasting triggers a switch to flip in the body, signaling it to begin a stem cell-based regeneration of the hematopoietic system. It required the body to utilize up its stores of glucose, fat, and ketones, as well as started to break down a large number of white blood cells. The loss of white blood cells flagged the body to, in turn, restore brand new immune system cells. How to support your happiness chemicals. Endorphins. Stress plus pain. Exercise regularly. Laugh out loud. Have good sex. Dark chocolate. Get a massage. Dance it out. Oxytocin, love, give a compliment. Listen to music. Acts of kindness, phone a friend. Take a yoga class 4-7-8 breathing. Dopamine. Reward. Finish a task. Asterisk cook a fresh meal. Asterisk bullet journal. Asterisk schedule self-care. Asterisk complete a puzzle. Serotonin. Good mood - time in nature. Eat clean protein. Asterisk gratitude list. Asterisk probiotics. Asterisk daily meditation. Sun exposure.